Hello friends, welcome to our channel Honest Advisors. So friends, we are once again here with another series of questions for bank promotion exams and CIIB and JIIB exams. So let us start our questions. The first question, as per this concept, income can be taken to profit and loss accounts when it becomes due, irrespective whether it has been received or not. The answer is accrual concept. Question 2. If a businessman starts a business with a capital fund of rupees 3 lakh and withdraw rupees 25,000 later, if net profit is rupees 1,20,000 and tax paid is rupees 20,000, what is the position of capital account at last? So the answer is rupees 3,95,000. Question 3. If long-term sources are given as 16 lakhs, long-term users are given as 2 lakhs, total asset given as 30 lakhs, calculate net working capital. Here, as we all know, the formula for net working capital is total current assets minus total current liabilities. Putting values, 16 minus 12 gives 4 lakhs. So the answer is 4 lakhs. Question number 4. Provision on secured substandard loan is dash. The answer is 15%. Question 5. Sales per debtor ratio is called dash ratio. It indicates dash. The answer is sales per debtor ratio is called as debtor turnover and it indicates efficiency of collection of debtors. Question 6. A check written in different inks and handwriting is presented for payment. What should be done with the check? The answer is it will be paid if otherwise in order. Question 7. The long-term liability to tangible net worth ratio implies dash. The answer is long-term solvency of a firm or capacity of a firm to pay long-term debts. Question number 8. In case of partnership, if one of the partners die, liability of estate of deceased partner will be dash. Answer is amount outstanding at the time of death minus credits if any. Question number 9. Relationship between bank and customer in case of good left by mistake in custody of bank is dash. The answer is trustee and beneficiary. Question number 10. Dash charge in consortium finance means share in security according to ratio of their loans. The answer is pari passu. Question number 11. NPA classification in consortium advance is based on record of recovery at dash rather than classification by other bank. The answer is individual. Question 12. Classification of deposits to be unclaimed deposit. If account is not operated at least for 10 years, it is to be transferred to dash. The answer is def account. Question number 13. Pre-shipment credit is available in which type of letter of credit? The answer is red clause. Question 14. Decree awarded dash that cannot be appealed in any court. Answer is Lok Adalats. Question number 15. Red flagged account reporting of fraud within a week of its classification as fraud amount. The answer is 50 crore. If the fraud amount is more than rupees 50 crore, its reporting should be done within 1 week. Question 16. UCP 600 reporting of discrepancy by nominated bank to be done in dash banking business days. The answer is 5 banking business days. Question 17. The committee recommended concurrent audit dash. The answer is Ghosh committee. Question number 18. Restructured account classified standard if the operation in the account is satisfactory for a period of dash. The answer is 1 year. Question 19. When an account becomes NPA and realizable value of securities dash, the account is directly treated as loss asset. The answer is less than 10%. Question 20. DCSBI is autonomous institution registered under dash. The answer is Societies Registration Act. Question 21. Under which section drawer is not liable if check bounces for insufficient funds? Answer is section 26 that relates to minor. Question 22. Under SARFAESI, after auction of property, purchaser is supposed to deposit 25% immediately and rest 75% within 15 days. This 15 days can be further extended by dash. The answer is agreement in writing between the parties. Question 23rd. A, B and C want to open a joint account with the provision that after death of any one of them, the money should not be paid to any legal heir. What mode of operation should be opened? The answer is either or any one of them. Question number 24. Education loan eligible for NCGTC guarantee. Maximum loan amount is rupees 7.5 lakhs. Question 25. Advance against own shares of bank company is not allowed as per dash of Banking Regulation Act. The answer is section 20. Question 26. In dash, order the proceeds of checks sent for collection in clearing are not attachable. The answer is garnishi. Question 27. Money to be deposited by A in the account of B. A has informed that B has become insane. What should be the course of action? The answer is money can be deposited with consent of family members, that is, guardian of a person who became insane. Question 28. This weight of loan sanctioned to staff secured by mortgage and superannuation benefit is dash. The answer is 20%. Question 29. What is the right of nominee in case of term deposit that has not matured? The answer is to obtain premature payment and not raise loan against the security of such term deposits. Question 30th. Unutilized overdraft limit of a borrower is available and a garnishi order is received. What can be done? The answer is order is not applicable. Next question. Loan to minor can be given in following case: A. Against DBT, B. Against LIC policy, C. In the name of minor, and D. In the name of father. The answer is in the name of father because the contract made by minor himself or herself is void. Question 31st. M. A minor admitted for benefits in firm wants to withdraw from the firm on attending majority. How much time is available to him to do so? The answer is 6 months from the date of majority or 6 months from the date of information to him that he was admitted for benefits, whichever is later. Question 32. A check passed in current account of an unregistered firm having insufficient balance allow OD in account without any instruction from the firm. Bank has an FD. Whether bank can recover the amount of OD allowed in account from the proceeds of FD? The answer is yes. Question 33. Advance against own share of banking company is not allowed according to which section? The answer is section 20 of Banking Regulation Act. 34th. Balance in NPA account is rupees 100 lakhs. Security value at the time of previous inspection was rupees 58 lakhs. But in the fresh inspection, the value is assessed as rupees 28 lakhs. What provision will be required? The answer is rupees 79 lakhs. Question 35. If the date under LC is mentioned as on or before 30th of June 2007, shipment will go within or when? The answer is 5 days before and 5 days after 30th of June 2007. Question 36. Right of appropriation is also known as dash. The answer is Clayton's rule. Question 37. Certificate of incorporation is evidence of legal existence, that is birth certificate of a company. Z agrees to supply raw material to X and under LC on a regular periodicity for a period of 10 months. Which LC is more suitable? The answer is revolving LC. Question 38. Under UCPDC 600, what is the time period during which issuing bank or nominated bank can check the documents to ensure that these are as per LC requirement? The answer is 5 banking days. Question 39. Z has given a guarantee to X. Now Z has repaid the loan to the bank. Now the guarantor is having dash. The answer is right of subrogation. Question 40. A firm has capital and reserve of 60 and a goodwill 10. If long-term liabilities are 50, current assets are 75 and current ratio is 1.5:1, what is total outside liability to tangible net worth ratio? The answer is 2:1. Question 41. Tangible net worth means dash. The answer is total paid up capital plus reserves minus intangible. Question 42. Authorized capital is rupees 10 lakhs. Paid up capital is rupees 6 lakhs. The loss of previous year is rupees 1 lakh. Loss in current year is rupees 3 lakhs. The tangible net worth is dash. The answer is rupees 2 lakh. Question 43. Article of association is meant for dash. The answer is internal activities of a company. Question 44. What is provision for doubtful asset for 1 to 3 years? The answer is 40% of residual value of security plus 100% of unsecured portion. Question 45. Under which section cash reserve ratio is defined? The answer is section 42(1) of Reserve Bank of India Act. Question 46. In cases where a customer categorized as low risk expresses inability to complete the documentation requirement on account of any reason that the bank consider to be genuine and where it is essential not to interrupt the normal conduct of business, banks shall at their option complete the verification of identity of borrower within a period of dash months from the date of establishment of the relationship. The answer is 6 months. Question 47. A firm has current assets of 20 which among others include stocks and prepaid expenses of rupees 125. The current liabilities are 160 which also includes short-term bank borrowing of 40. What is the amount of working capital gap? The answer is 80,000. Question 48. Gold monetization scheme interest will be started after how many days from deposits of gold? The answer is 30 days. Question 49. For LC assessment which is not considered, option A, sundry debtors, B, nuisance period, C, purchase of RM on LC basis, lead time and transit period. The answer is sundry debtor. Question 50. Time norm for SIC MSME loan for rehabilitation package should be fully implemented by banks within dash from the day the unit is declared as potentially viable. The answer is 90 days. Question 51. Pre-shipment will be financed on the basis of dash. The answer is free on-board value. Question 52. Concurrent audit should cover at least dash of deposits and advances of a bank. The answer is 50%. Question 53. Education loan limit for abroad to be considered under priority sector. The answer is up to rupees 10 lakhs irrespective of sanctioned amount. Question 54. Dash is undertaking from borrower not to create any charge on his property. The answer is negative lien. Question 55. While paying a bearer check, signatures are obtained on back side of check. Why? The answer is as an evidence of payment. Question 56. Profit before tax is rupees 150, tax rupees 40, depreciation rupees 30, interest on term loan rupees 30, annual installment of term loan is rupees 70. What is debt service coverage ratio? The formula for DSCR is profit after tax before depreciation and interest, and that is to be divided by interest plus installment. The answer is 1.7. Question 57. Dash right of guarantor to recover money from borrower on the basis of securities and documents available with bank is known as dash. The answer is subrogation. Question 58. Garnishee order is not applicable on dash. The answer is unused cash credit or overdraft limit. Question 59. Appeal against the award given by the ombudsman can be made by bank within dash days of date. The answer is 30 days of receipt of acceptance from the customer. Question 60. If a fraud takes place in a bank branch, report is sent to controlling office on form dash. The answer is FMR 1. Question 61. Which of the following is a payment in due course? The answer is 1. Crossed check payment made to agent of collecting bank. Question 62. Power of attorney given by A and B to C. A died. Check presentation by C. What to be done? The answer is will not be paid. Question 63. Monthly report to police in case of how many counterfeit notes is given for what number of notes? The answer is when the counterfeit notes are detected up to 4 pieces in a single day, and it is to be given on Annexure 2. Question 64. What type of charge is applicable on loan against term deposit of bank? The answer is assignment. Question 65. Mortgagee enjoys the income of mortgaged property in case of which mortgage? The answer is usufructuary. Question 66. There is excess cash with the cashier while closing the cash balance in the evening. It is to be deposited in dash. The answer is sundries account, excess cash received account. Question 67. Which document is required to be attested or witnessed? A. Mortgage deed. B. Pledge agreement. C. Hypothecation agreement. The answer is mortgage deed. Question 68. For filing a complaint under the consumer forum, the limitation period is dash. The answer is 2 years from the date of cause of action arises. Receipt issued by shipping company indicating defective packaging of goods is known as clause bill of lading. So friends, that's all for today. All the very best for your coming exams. If the video and the questions helped you, share this video with your friend, and if you have still not subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.